we will show you how to install your Onduclair PVC or GRP roof light in a few easy steps. You will need the following equipment: an electric saw, a screwdriver, a pen, a measuring tape and a spirit level. Personal safety in a work environment is important. We recommend to wear gloves and safety glasses and work on a stable support. Before getting started, check the structure of your roof. Onduclair products are recommended for roofs with a pitch minimum 15%. The maximum distance between panels or rafters is 110 cm. Onduclair's sheets can be used as cladding system as well. It's important to check these points so that your installation can be optimized and durable. Onduclair's GRP translucent sheets are extremely resistant. They allow excellent light distribution, and Onduclair's PVC sheets allow excellent light diffusion. They are therefore suitable for the roof of pergolas. Start by calculating the number of sheets you will need considering the sheets' overlaps. 20 cm for the end overlap and 2 corrugations for the side overlap. The installation of these elements is always done in the opposite direction of the prevailing winds. Position the rope at a distance of 7 cm maximum from the edge of the roof on each side of the roof. Because of the coefficient of expansion of the material, drill the fastener holes to a diameter of 4 mm larger than the fastener diameter. Installation of the sheets is done from eave to ridge. In order to have a perfect alignment, follow the edge of the rope. Install the first row of sheets from side to side, then carry on with the second row. For fixing, use Onduclair specific kits. Fasten each corrugation at eave, then fasten every other corrugation for the remaining roofing area. Warning: don't fasten the corrugations that will be covered by the next sheet. That's it. The installation of transparent Onduclair sheets is now finished. Remarks: clean your roof regularly, at least once a year. Use large quantities of lukewarm water with a non-abrasive household detergent and a sponge or clean cloth. Corrugated sheets have a one-sided UV protection. Be careful this side is installed outwards. To identify which side is UV resistant, you should be able to read the identification throughout the sheet. To install a greenhouse, pay attention to the ventilation. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.